Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about something every tester does almost daily. That is how to decide the priority of test cases. So in this we'll go step by step in a very simple everyday language so that everyone should be able to understand. And by the end of this video, you will be knowing exactly how to rank your test cases. So you test the most important things first. So if I say our step 1. So what does priority mean in testing? What does priority mean in testing? So in testing, priority means how soon a test case should be executed and which test cases need immediate attention. Okay, so first thing is how soon a test case should be executed. A test case should be executed. And second one is which test cases need an immediate attention. So I'm just giving an example in a simple analogy. If your kitchen catches fire and your bathroom tap is leaking, so which will you fix first? Obviously the fire. That is the priority because it's an urgent issue right now. So now in our step 2, we will check our next step, that is why is priority important. Why is priority important? So we never have unlimited time to run every test case. We never have unlimited time to run every test case. Priority helps testers focus on high impact areas first. And in agile or fast paced environments, only high priority test cases might get executed. Only high priority test cases might get executed in early cycles. Fine. Now, in our next step, we'll discuss factors to decide priority. Factors to decide priority. So, first factor is business impact, obviously. So, if the feature is critical for the business, like payment, give it the highest priority. Second thing is user frequency. So If users use the feature every day like login, test it early. Then recent changes in code. So if a module has just been updated, its test cases get higher priority. Next is defect proneness. So if the feature often has bugs, so just you need to prioritize it. And the last one is, I will say, the integration complexity. So if the feature connects with multiple modules, just test it sooner. Fine. Now in our next step, I'm just taking an example now. So let's take an online banking app. So now high priority P1 test cases, if I talk about that, we need to run immediately, that is login authentication, fund transfer, and account balance check. Medium priority P2, that is can run after P1, so it is profile update and view transaction history. Low priority P3 can run later, so like change profile picture, view bank branch locations. Now in our next step, how to tag priority in test cases. So simply, if your test case management tool, like let's suppose if you're using Jira or TestRail, or some of you might be using Microsoft Excel, so you can just create a priority column and you can mark it as, just a minute, how to tag priority in test cases. So you can give it as like P1, that means high, priority is high. P2, that means priority is medium. And P3, that means priority is low. So in automation frameworks, you can never even tag them in annotations. So like if you have test annotations, so like @test priority is equal to 1, you can give it in this way. Like we have a test scripts, so we can just use like this, @test priority equals 1. So we can go in this way also. So this means its priority is high. Okay, in the same way, @test priority is equal to 2. Now this is basically medium. And if I give @test priority is equal to 3, this is basically low. Now module by module example in automation. So we have test data that store the priority info in Excel or JSON format so that tests can pick it dynamically. We have a test classes. So in a test classes, what we do, we can use priority annotation so execution order is clear, and reports. So we just show test cases grouped by priority for quick decision making. So here the main picture comes. Let me write it and show you all. So in our step 6, module by module example in automation. So first thing is test data. You all know test data folder. So here you can store priority information in Excel or JSON. So test can pick it dynamically. Next is test classes. So We use priority annotations. So execution order is clear. And the next one is reports. This show test cases grouped by priority for quick decision making. Fine. And that's it, friends. Now you know exactly what priority means in testing, factors that decides it, how to apply it in real projects. And if you like this video, just hit a like button and subscribe to my channel for more simple real world testing tutorials. Thank you everyone.